When decorating for the holidays, it can be frustrating when only half of the lights on a string are working. Instead of immediately replacing the entire string, there are simple steps you can take to potentially repair it. First, check for corrosion on the plug prongs and clean them with sandpaper if necessary. Corrosion can impede the flow of voltage through the lights. If that doesn't solve the problem, try plugging a fully functioning string of lights into the half-working string to narrow down the issue. If the second string works, it may indicate a problem with a faulty bulb or fuse in the first string. Use a bulb tester to identify and replace any bad bulbs, marking them with tape for easy replacement. When replacing bulbs, pull up on the plastic seat, not the bulb itself, and ensure you have an exact match. Finally, check the fuse compartment for blown fuses and replace them with identical ones. It's important to always unplug the lights before replacing a bulb or fuse. By following these steps, you may be able to repair your holiday lights and brighten up your decorations.